Standard 9, Subject English, Lesson number 1.5, The Necklace. The story is about a middle class woman whose ambitious wish of being a part of aristocracy led to a terrible misfortune. Mathlede was a pretty, charming girl born into a family of clerks and wedded to a minor official at the Ministry of Education, Monsieur Loisel. She lived in a shabby, poorly built house, but dreamt of a grand mansion and luxurious life. She was ashamed of her status and envied her friend Madame Forster for all the wealth and riches that she possessed. One evening, her husband brought home a party invitation from the Minister of Education. The invitation held great importance for Monsieur Loiser. However, Mathlede resented the idea of the party because she did not have fancy dress to wear to it. So Monsieur Loisel gave her all the money that he had saved to buy a gun so that she could fulfill her wish and accompany him to the party. After buying the dress, Mathlede longed for jewelry to go along with the dress and shared her sorrows with her rich friend Madame Forster. On hearing her friend's voice, Madame Forster lent her the beautiful necklace and went perfectly well with her dress. Mathlede was delighted. On the day of party, Mathlede looked ravishing. Her natural poise and her elegant dress made her the center of attraction at the party. She enjoyed thoroughly and revealed the triumph of her beauty till the wee hours of the night. Once home, Mathlede looked into the mirror one last time, was left horrified as she realized that the necklace was missing. Despite looking for the necklace everywhere, both Monsieur Loisel and Mathlede could not find it. In order to borrow some more time from Madame Forster, they wrote to her informing her that the clasp of the necklace had broken. They needed some time to get it repaired. After searching for the necklace for days, they decided to find its replacement and looked for a copy of the necklace at many shops. Finally, they got a diamond necklace that looked exactly like it, but it was worth a fortune. They spent the entire inheritance of Monsieur Loisel and took many loans to buy the diamond necklace as a replacement. That incident changed their lives. They were left with no money and had tons of loans to pay back. They shifted to a garret, and Loisel took up two extra jobs because of which he worked in a day during the night as well. Mathlede, on the other hand, she took up a complete responsibility of household chores and fired her maid. She had to let go of her old habits, had to bargain with the vendors in the market to save from every sou. In 10 years' time, she were able to pay back the loans, but their struggle had taken its toll on Mathlede's appearance. She began to look aged. One Sunday, when she crossed the paths with Madame Forster, she narrated to her the tale of her misery. And much to her shock, Madame Forster revealed that the necklace was an imitation, just a fake that did not cost anything more than 500 francs. This story ends with a revelation, leaving the reader to reflect upon it. Thank you.